What's up, tech aficionados? Today we're diving into the brand new PS5 Pro. Yep, the one that came 3 weeks ago on November 7th. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Yes, today we're going to talk about the full overview of the PS5 Pro. This is Ishan from Smart Side, and you're watching about something new, gaming. Okay, now let's talk about what makes the PS5 Pro worth checking out. First thing first, it comes in about $100 more than the regular PS5. But what exactly do you get for that extra cash? Well, the is the Sony has packed a more beefier GPU with 67% more compute units compared to the base PS5, making it significantly more powerful. You're also getting 28% faster memory, which means the PS5 Pro can render games and action 45% faster overall. That is a chunky improvement. For a number of fans, the PS5 Pro GPU delivers 16.7 TF flops of power compared to just 10.28 T flops on the standard PS5. This extra power lets you play games at 60 frames per second and the maximum is 120 frames per second with ray tracing, AI enhanced 4K resolution, and you can get all of this in also 4K TV gaming at the same time. Now let's break down the key features of the PS5, the next level. So the PS5 has spectral super resolution, enhanced visual clarity with cutting edge technology. It is optimized console performance. It's smooth, there's no lag. It has advanced ray tracing for those ultra realistic visuals. Ultra high speed support. You can play in 8K and 4K support, and faster load time and seamless gameplay. You have fast variable refresh rate. You have HDR technology. You have an immersive audio experience, and you have haptic feedback and adaptive figures. Now, let's talk about the pricing and the verdict. So, like I said, the PS5 is actually $100 more than the normal PS5. It's for $700 or $699 precisely. The before one was for $550 to $600. But if you're lucky, here's one thing. If you're into high powered gamings and you got the budget and you aced your exam, wink wink, this might be an upgrade you've been waiting for. But if you're playing Among Us or normal racing games like Asphalt 8, you can just stick with the regular PS5. But the Pro version has some minor upgrades for the casual gamers. So it's all about your gaming needs, your budget. That's it for today, guys. If you're looking to level up your gaming experience, the PS5 Pro could be the one to grab. But if you're happy with your setup, the regular PS5 still holds up pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.